Shiba Inu Coin has become one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies in the world. What started as a simple meme token has grown into a massive ecosystem with millions of holders, powerful community influence, and global attention. But the big question many beginners ask is simple: what exactly is Shiba Inu Coin? How did it rise so fast, and is it truly just a meme? To understand Shiba Inu Coin deeply, we need to go back to its origins, explore its community-driven growth, the Shiba ecosystem development, how the tokenomics work, its rivalry with Dogecoin, and the expanding use cases that have transformed it from a joke into a potential long-term project. Shiba Inu Coin was created in August 2020 by an anonymous founder known as Ryoshi, who described it as an experiment in decentralized community building. Unlike Bitcoin, which focuses on decentralization and scarcity, and unlike Ethereum, which focuses on smart contracts and decentralized applications, Shiba Inu was created entirely around community power, the belief that a united community could build a crypto movement that grows without centralized leadership. This idea quickly attracted thousands of meme coin fans who were inspired by Dogecoin's success and wanted to create something even bigger. As Shiba Inu Coin continued to grow, more investors began to treat it not just as a meme token, but as a potential investment opportunity. The price of Shiba Inu skyrocketed by over 40 million% during its peak rally, attracting headlines, traders, and crypto beginners around the world. This massive growth was driven by hype, social media momentum, and the explosion of interest in meme cryptocurrencies. But what made Shiba Inu different was its ambitious roadmap and its expanding ecosystem. Unlike many meme tokens that disappear after a few weeks, Shiba Inu introduced multiple features, including SHIB, the Shiba Inu Decentralized Exchange, BONE, a governance token, leash a limited supply token, and Shibarium, a layer to blockchain built to improve transaction speed and reduce gas fees. These developments helped transform Shiba from a simple meme to a functional ecosystem, gaining attention from analysts and crypto experts who began asking if Shiba Inu could evolve into something more than hype. When exploring the question, is Shiba Inu just a meme? It's important to understand how the crypto market treats trends, hype cycles, and community expansion. Meme coins often grow faster than traditional cryptocurrencies because they rely on viral attention, emotional engagement, humor, and social engagement. Shiba Inu leveraged these factors more effectively than almost any project in crypto history. The Shiba Army, the global community behind Shiba Inu, became one of the strongest and most active communities online. They drove awareness, created memes, collaborated on projects, and continuously pushed the token into the spotlight. Whether through Twitter trends, celebrity mentions, or mass online campaigns, the Shiba community kept the momentum going, making Shiba Inu one of the most searched cryptocurrencies worldwide. This is where many of the SEO keywords come into play, such as meme coins, crypto investing, Shiba Inu price prediction, blockchain technology, cryptocurrency news, DeFi tokens, and crypto market analysis. Another important factor behind Shiba Inu's growth is its tokenomics model. Shiba Inu originally had a total supply of 1 quadrillion tokens, a massive number that made the coin extremely cheap and accessible for beginners. This affordability contributed to its viral growth, as new investors felt they could buy millions of SHIB tokens for a few dollars. However, Shiba Inu also introduced burn mechanisms designed to reduce supply over time. Token burns help create scarcity, and many investors believe that large-scale Shiba Inu burns could increase the value of SHIB in the long term. Understanding tokenomics is crucial for anyone investing in meme coins or cryptocurrency in general, because supply, demand, and utility all play major roles in determining long-term success. As the project grew, Shiba Inu developers began introducing more advanced tools and products to strengthen the ecosystem. SHIB, for example, became a platform where users can stake SHIB, provide liquidity, earn rewards, and interact with decentralized finance. This shift toward DeFi marked the first major sign that Shiba Inu wanted to transition from a meme into a real utility-driven project. The launch of Shibarium, the project's own layer to blockchain, was another milestone. Shibarium aims to reduce gas fees, support decentralized applications, and improve transaction speed, features that bring Shiba Inu closer to real-world usage. Many investors began comparing Shiba Inu to larger blockchain networks, asking questions like, Can Shiba Inu become a top cryptocurrency? Can it compete with bigger projects? And how far can its ecosystem grow? Another major chapter in Shiba Inu's story is its relationship with Dogecoin. From the beginning, SHIB was branded as the Dogecoin killer. This rivalry brought massive attention to the project. Investors who missed out on Dogecoin's early rise saw Shiba Inu as their second chance. Dogecoin is known for its simplicity and strong backing from figures like Elon Musk, but Shiba Inu began gaining popularity for different reasons: its ecosystem, its DeFi involvement, its token-burning mechanisms, and its long-term roadmap. This comparison between Dogecoin versus Shiba Inu became a major topic in the crypto community and contributed to Shiba Inu's SEO popularity, with keywords like Dogecoin alternative, SHIB token, meme crypto analysis, and crypto market growth. But even though Shiba Inu has grown massively, the question remains, is it still just a meme? On one side, Shiba Inu carries a lot of characteristics of a meme coin: large supply, viral growth, community-centered hype, and strong emotional branding. On the other side, Shiba has introduced serious blockchain tools, utility products, and long-term plans. The truth is that Shiba Inu is a hybrid project. It started as a meme, but evolved into something more. This dual identity gives Shiba Inu flexibility in the crypto market, allowing it to attract both short-term traders who chase hype and long-term investors who believe in ecosystem expansion. Many crypto analysts also note that Shiba Inu's integration into exchanges, crypto wallets, DeFi platforms, and blockchain applications has increased its legitimacy. Understanding whether Shiba Inu is a good investment requires analyzing market trends, risk levels, and investor expectations. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are considered safer because they have strong use cases and established histories. Meme coins, on the other hand, are more volatile and unpredictable. Shiba Inu's volatility is part of what makes it exciting for traders, but also risky. For example, its price has experienced massive swings both upward and downward based on market news, whale movements, token burns, and community campaigns. Investors must understand the risks associated with meme cryptocurrencies, especially when evaluating Shiba Inu price forecasts or long-term predictions. However, Shiba Inu's development team continues to implement upgrades that may influence future performance. Another key component of Shiba Inu's success is adoption. Major exchanges listed SHIB early, allowing millions of people to buy, sell, and trade Shiba Inu instantly. Payment platforms, online stores, and crypto apps began accepting SHIB for transactions, merchandise, and services. These adoption milestones helped transform Shiba from a speculative token into a more widely recognized digital asset. Many crypto investors now view Shiba Inu as a gateway into the world of decentralized finance. The launch of Shibarium expanded this further by enabling faster transactions, lower fees, and a broader range of decentralized applications that can operate in the Shiba ecosystem. What makes Shiba Inu truly unique is the combination of meme culture, financial opportunity, decentralized branding, and community-driven development. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies built on strict technology foundations, Shiba Inu represents a cultural movement within crypto. It shows how community energy, creativity, and collective action can turn a simple meme into a powerful digital asset. This cultural influence is one reason why Shiba Inu remains relevant years after its launch, even as the crypto market continues to evolve. The introduction of Shiba metaverse projects, NFTs, gaming initiatives, and blockchain partnerships reflect a broader vision for SHIB's future. In addition to the technical and social aspects, Shiba Inu's story also reflects the psychology of modern investing. Investors are drawn to narratives, community belonging, and the possibility of turning small investments into large gains. This psychological appeal helped Shiba Inu spread rapidly among beginners and experienced traders alike. The idea that a cheap cryptocurrency could grow significantly captured the imagination of millions. At the same time, developers continued to focus on building real utility that could help Shiba Inu maintain long-term relevance beyond hype cycles. As Shiba Inu continues to develop, there are debates among analysts about its future. Some believe Shiba Inu could evolve into a major blockchain ecosystem, while others believe it will remain a culturally driven project. There are discussions about Shiba Inu's long-term value compared to other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum, Solana, Dogecoin, and Cardano. Yet despite these debates, one thing remains clear: Shiba Inu has already made history as one of the most successful meme coins ever created. Its journey from a joke to a global crypto movement shows the power of community and innovation in the blockchain world. The final question, is Shiba Inu just a meme, has no simple answer. Shiba Inu is both a meme and a developing ecosystem. It is a cultural symbol and a financial opportunity. It is a fun digital token and a serious blockchain project in progress. Its future will depend on how well the ecosystem continues to grow, how active the Shiba community remains, how the crypto market evolves, and how successful Shibarium and other utilities become. For now, Shiba Inu stands as one of the most influential meme-based cryptocurrencies in history. Now that you understand Shiba Inu on a deeper level, its evolution, its tokenomics, its ecosystem, and the power behind its community, you can see why it continues to attract attention globally. Whether you view it as a meme or a long-term project, Shiba Inu has undoubtedly earned its place in the world of digital assets. To see more content like this, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future crypto breakdowns.